First fish, hopefully. Yeah, got one. First fish. Nice brown trout. Here on the river again. Early season. Look at that nice brownie. Really nice brown. Get him back in. Just get him back in. Nice. Oh, he's right there. Hopefully get some more today. Wow, he blends in. This I think is a rainbow. Yep. You can tell the difference between a rainbow and a brown. Yeah, I hit this thing good too. Wow, he's fighting good for his size. The undercurrent. Let's keep him in the water. Actually take him out. The head would be splashing all over the place. There you go. That's a rainbow. Yep. Got a nice rainbow here. Brown and a nice rainbow. And my cousin's using live bait and I'm using a spinner. So it's kind of like using two different baits to figure out these trout. But anything would really work. That's a nice one there. Flopping around, get him in. Nice. Nice. That thing hit like a freight train. Wow, this guy's fighting good. I love when they fight in the current. Just let them play out. There we go. That's a really nice brown. Wow, look at that guy, guys. That's a nice one there. He fought good. It's a nice trout there. Let's get him in. Nice. Just hit weird. Really weird. Like, boom, boom, boom. Is something wrong with my line? Is that a rain? That's a rainbow. Oh. Oh. That's a nice rainbow. This is a nice rainbow, guys. Really nice one. He's actually hooked pretty good. I thought he was gonna fall off. There we go. So artificial is working so far, but live bait probably is too. That's a good one there. Good one. Water temp's about 40, 41. So it's pretty. It's a little cold yet, but still. It's a nice fish there. Get him back in. Nice, nice. All right. This might be number 5. I want to say a rainbow. See, I'm getting a lot of rainbow hits. I missed a couple for this one. You can tell they're not the rainbow because it's like boom, 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 boom. All right, get them in. Try get them in. Wow, wow, this fish knows how to escape. Yeah, a little smaller one now. All right, number 5, a little smaller and a little crazy too. Let's end him again. Wow. Okay, just hit this thing like a freight train. Don't get him, you looking at my golden. Whew. You up there probably looking at him. Okay. Just taking my time. Oof. Holy shit. Oh, yes. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Woo. Oh my God. That thing, I was shaking because I thought that thing was going to pop off. Wow. Look at that thing. This is like a golden salmon. Wow, that's a fat one too. Look at that thing. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Heavy fish too. Really heavy. Nice little hook jaw. Awesome. All right, get him back out here. Well, I kind of got him. There's an eagle up there too, way up there in that dead tree. That's why I'm gonna get this guy. Big fish right there. That's a really nice fish. Should be fine. This water's really cold. Look at him just sitting there. That is so cool. All right, let's let him sit there for a little bit. This might be a brown. I think it's a brown. Yeah, he's fighting like a brown. There we go. Now we're back to normal size trout. That's a nice color brown. There we go. Nice little brown trout. A little chunky bastard too. I seen this fish I was reeling it in. I'm like, oh, I guess there's no trout in here. Then freaking this thing followed it in. I let it sit there for a second. Boom, he thumped this thing. He's a nice brown too. Really nice brown. Oh yeah. All right, buddy. Oh, there he goes. I kind of knew he was gonna pop off. Nice. Yeah, but basically I'm just this nice deep stretch here. Just keep moving along the river. Keep trying, yeah, see if we get any other nice trout. When I look for two guys in the river, you guys can't see. Oh yeah, you can see it. There's a big rock here. I like to drift by those rocks because you never know what the fish like to hang underneath that. So that's why I like fishing those big rocks too. So yeah, keep trying to see if you get anything else. And then like, when I see that fast part, it slows down. It's like a little swell eddy. I like to hit that too. That's usually a really good spot to hit on the river. So keep trying to see if you get any more. Yep, roll that rock. I showed you guys that rock. I drifted right by it and bam, that thing thumped it. I'm like, how is there nothing by that rock? Then boom. I mean, drift by those big rocks. There's always something hanging out by there. There we go. There we go. Good little guy, but still a nice trout. New spot on the river, guys. We drove down. Got one. I think thumped it too. This fish getting bigger or something? Or is just fighting that hard? It doesn't seem that big. Oh wow, that's a really nice brookie. It is. Oh wow. That's a really nice brookie. Well, I caught the trout slam today. Golden, rainbow, brown, and brookie. Wow, that's a really nice brook trout. Come back in. Damn, it was nice. I don't know what this thing is. This thing's fighting weird too. What the hell is this thing? What the hell is it? Oh, wow, that's a little rainbow. That was weird. That was really weird. Wow. He wasn't big, but huh. All right, guys, we're at a different stretch of the river now. It's slowing down a little bit again during the day, but a lot of people out, but it's slowing down a little bit more. I'm gonna try this stretch, hit a couple holes and see if we get anything else. But yeah, we'll see what happens. But overall, it's still a really good day of fishing. Trying to learn. There we go. Look at that. So the pause, usually you hit on the pause. Nice brown, see? Brown trout. Look at that guy. Oh yeah, I don't want him to get me. It's a nice brown trout. Really nice. All right, so now you kind of know how to use it? Yeah. All right, let me get this thing unhooked. All right, guys, we're back at the hole where we started at. We're showing them how to use a jerkbait, but yeah, jerkbait's working. The spot we fished wasn't that good, so I'm gonna try here now and see what happens. Just caught a nice brown, so see if we catch any more. Overall, pretty productive day. Hold on, let me get them. Take your time, Tyler. Take your time. Just take your time. Let them fight. Wow, look at that. Good for you, Tyler. Oh my God. Hold on. He just popped right off. You want your picture? Yeah. That's great. You caught two this year, Tyler. Good for you. Wow, as soon as he saw the net, he just ran away. That's a nice rainbow. That was 3 times in a row. All right, he is flopping around like no other. Nice fish. Get him back in. Nice, nice, nice. That's literally, guys, going to tell you. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. I keep losing them on this freaking thing. Well, basically, guys, but always when you're fishing, guys, always bring your lure upstream really slow. You never know. You never know. Wow, he felt much bigger than that. Man, I thought that was a bigger fish. That thing felt like a giant. There we go. Look at that guy. All right, guys, done fishing now. What a great day on the river. Early spring fishing, using a variety of lures. Live bait was not good today. It was not good. My cousin was using, oh wow, it's ripping. But anyways, my cousin was using live bait in the beginning, not good. I told him to use the plug towards the end of the day, and he caught some really nice trout at the end. Really nice. I didn't get a brown trout he caught, but he caught a really nice brown. He caught that nice going, but I did really good today. I caught my first going of this year. Really nice golden rainbow. Really nice golden rainbow. Nice. I don't know how many pounds he was. He was just big. A nice big golden rainbow. But basically fishing slow moving holes with artificial lures, and yeah, like that's what we're doing, just doing really good with that. So rods, again, we're using today, I was using a 7-foot light action St.Croix Avid Panfish series rod. I love it because it has enough backbone for like a nice plug, but also if you want to need that subtle tip for live bait or drift and whatever. But I love that rod. I caught a lot of nice fish on that rod, but the water temp's still cold yet. So, but yeah, just, and another thing, just like I said, always keep walking the river, always keep walking, always keep venturing to different holes or a different part of the hole, and just see if you catch anything. I mean, you just move 10 feet down the hole, you might catch a couple more trout. But anyways, guys, great day on the river. And yeah, this is a great day on the river. Got some really nice fish. My really nice going ray waikate. Really nice fish. I think thumped it. But anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.